Okay. Oops. All right. I think we're back. Alrighty. So I'll assume that's working. We're still have to go implement some CRUD. We've got 15 minutes here before I have to hop off anyway. But yeah, unfortunately, not the most productive day. But we're trying. We're trying our best. Okay, so I think I installed this package already. Um, so let's just go for it. Again, I'm not quite sure it where I should be doing all this stuff. If that is um, like actually in my current screen or in my component or wherever. I don't know, but let's just get cracking here. I think what I want is, first of all, I need another button at the bottom of the screen here, and that will be my submit current state to the database, right? So let's just go add that very quickly. Let's see. We'll do button. That is freaking small. Okay. Now, did I define a? Do I need like an on press for this? Damn it. Yeah, I think I need an on press. See, that makes sense. So this is like defaulted to like a no function basically, just so you don't have to put it. All right, but we can go make a real one. Do I still need this one? Yeah, I think there's still some stuff in here that should be useful. Like I think this async. I don't quite know how to do that yet, so we'll keep that around. All right. Yeah, so I have to define. I wonder why, like, some of these things are defined in the scope of this function. I don't really know. I think it's that like global scope does not actually exist in JavaScript was the thing. We ran into that earlier, that you had to create like creepy phantom divs around the whole thing. I'm not quite sure of the details, but let's just go do a thing here. So we want to define an on press, and I have one of those like in here. Oh, actually, I don't. Here I've got one. So on and then we'll pass that in as the on press of this. So actually, I wonder where that logs out to. Does that log out to like this thing? No. Does it log out here? Oh, okay, good. All right, so we can see that button does work. So now we try to turn it into into a thingy, into like a database, right? So I think we'll just put it in here for now, right? That's probably fine. Support the star from it's called as SQLite from Expose SQLite. God, I really hate this window not attaching. That is really pissing me off. Okay, so should we just like copy paste this? Yeah, let's just try that and dump that in here. Modifiers. So how do I make that be an async then? Equals async. Oh, and then I have to. Okay. Now that still doesn't work. And also my auto tabbing did not work here. Or did it? Okay, I think it did. It's just this part is fucked up. Okay, so what is it still complaining about here? First row is type unknown. I'm gonna choose to believe that that is not a real error. Oh, fuck. Okay, so that did log out some stuff here. So we did insert this stuff in. So I think what we would expect is that this would have logged out the first row, then logged out all of the rows, then logged all the rows out again. Not quite. So first row, all of the rows again. And I missed a console log somewhere. Result last insert row ID result dot changes. Yeah, who knows what that changes thing means, but okay. So if we try again, will we like double this? Yes. Okay, good. And if I back out of here, pause out. I don't want it. That's not what I want. Can't connect to Extro. If unhandled promise rejection. Yeah, so it looks like we're desynced here. And I don't think I would imagine that that is not living in persistent storage right now. If I close this out and then reopen the simulator, if I can figure out how to do that. because I think I have to use that drizzle thing to get persistent storage. Oh, did that closed down my other window? Oh shit, where is that thing? I think it's in program files. Ah, shoot. Should have paid more attention to that annoying thing. Maybe it's in the other program files. Yeah, none of those look like a Qimu to me. That's not good. Shit. Crap. How? Because if I launch it from here, which is what I don't want to do, I think it's going to redeploy, and I bet that will actually blow up the storage on the app. Find working pretty fast, it seems. Now, I did not find in Android Studio one. Excuse me. Shoot. How do I get that back? I don't want to actually launch this IDE, but I guess we'll have to. Oh my god. Look at all this like shit in here. Why would I want that? Why would I want to use Android Studio as my IDE for Godot? That, I don't quite get what's going on there. Anyway. JetBrains IDEs. Okay. I'm not interested in that right now. I just want the emulator. Or how do I do that? Here we go. Well, okay, well, it persisted, actually, that I had pressed this button before. Just interesting. How do I, like, force close an app, like, for real? Okay, here we go. If I go in here now, will that have persisted? I don't know, because I'm not sure who... Yeah, like, so it didn't persist that state. Oh, wait, is that? Oh, look at that. So that is definitely more than once now. So maybe that is actually keeping around that database locally. Very interesting, very interesting. So, but all right, well, let's actually check now. Like, will it persist if I close off the server? And oh god, don't make me update. Will it blow up my database if I restart the Expo server and reinstall this on my Android VM here? I don't know. It's gonna take a while. Oh, I've got 2 concurrent viewers. Which languages am I good at? That's a great question. Mostly I use C, C++. and I've done a lot of like PowerShell scripting. So probably pretty proficient in that. Not as proficient in JavaScript, but working on it. Working on it. Yeah. Thanks for watching though. Unfortunately, I'm about to end the stream, but great to know that people will tune in. I do appreciate it. Okay, so let's see here. So if I submit, oh, interesting. So that is actually creating some sort of persistent database upon me reflashing this. Now I wonder if I like delete this APK completely. First of all, I don't know how to do that. If I delete the APK completely, will it stick around in like device documents? I don't know how to do that. So let's see. No. App info. So if I that's funny. Yeah, we've got scant little time here, but we will uninstall that, and then I will redeploy. Oh crap! What? Oh, am I like hosed here? Oop. Yeah, sure. No, so that did blow it up. Okay, well that's good to know. So my database, I am creating a SQLite database in persistent storage on the mobile operating system. It does not persist when you uninstall the app. That's good to know. But I think that's all we can really do for today. It's time, of course, to go to work, to go to the day job. So thank you for watching. I do really appreciate it, and I hope you have a good rest of your day in your programming journey.